Welcome to a moment of Zen. This is your time to pause, to breathe, and center yourself in the present moment. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in down to the tummy, holding it for a moment, and slowly exhale. Taking another deep breath in down to the tummy, holding for a moment, and breathing out a little longer. Feel your shoulders soften as you breathe out. Take another deep breath in, letting the air fill your lungs. And as you exhale, let all the tension in the body melt away. Now focus on the rhythm of your breathing. Feel the cool air entering your nose and the slightly warmer air as you exhale. With every breath in, you're drawing in calm, peaceful energy. With every breath out, you're releasing anything you don't need. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation starting at the top of your head. It moves gently down over your face, releasing any tension in your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Let it flow down your neck and shoulders, softening every muscle. Feel this wave of calm spreading down through your chest, your arms and your hands, leaving you lighter with every breath that you take. This calm continues down your back, through the stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way to your toes. With each breath, you feel yourself sinking deeper into peace, becoming fully relaxed, becoming fully present, and open to this moment of Zen. Now imagine yourself in a beautiful, peaceful garden. The sun is shining gently, and the air is warm and comforting. You can hear the soft sounds of nature, the gentle flow of water from a nearby stream. This garden is your sanctuary, a place of perfect calm and serenity. As you stand here, you feel a deep connection to the earth beneath you. Imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet, grounding you, connecting you to the strength and stability of the earth. Now picture a small, calm stream flowing gently through the garden. Walk over to the water and kneel by its edge. You see the stream carrying away fallen leaves, twigs, debris, effortlessly flowing and releasing them downstream. Imagine this stream is carrying away your worries, fears or tensions, any negative thought or feeling. Everything that you don't need is just floating away, downstream, feeling yourself becoming lighter, freer, and more at peace. And as the stream clears, so does your mind and body. You're left with a deep, quiet stillness, a moment of pure Zen. Absorb this still, soothing, beautiful feeling. Feel calm, balanced, and at ease. Now take a deep breath in, drawing in this sense of calm into every part of your being. Holding it for a moment and exhaling slowly, knowing that this feeling of peace can always be with you. It's always within you, like a stream flowing gently through your garden. Anytime you need to find your center, you can return to this place of Zen. And you can drift off to sleep here. Or in a moment, you can take a deep breath and open the eyes, coming back to full awareness, wide awake, but deeply relaxed, feeling present in your moment of Zen.